Hi guys, Captain Nick here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. We're back here in the service yard. We got the compressor cranking behind me. That means that people are working. It means that boats are moving and we're making the dream happen. Right here, we've got a Sea Ray 19SPX outboard, custom ordered. They waited a long time for this boat. I promise you it's gonna be worth it, and man, are they stoked. Right here, we've got a full hull color. I believe that this is the all-new Kingfisher teal. I could be wrong. Beautiful nonetheless. This is a boat motor trailer package. Follow me back here. Of course, we've got the bimini top. Keep those rays off you in Florida. They are no joke. This boat is sea decked throughout the whole aft cockpit, the swim platform up on the bow, ready to rock and roll. You notice here we're getting rigged for delivery. We've got your MarineMax Go boating kit. You don't need to run to West Marine or wherever. Everything's gonna come with this boat, so you're legal, safe, ready to rock and roll. Say no more. Powered by a Mercury 115 Pro XS. This boat is offered with a 150 and a 115. You are not underpowered by any means with the 115. It's just that 150 might give you a little more top end. So I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Sea Ray 19SPX outboard. Come on down, order your own, or take advantage of something that might already actually be on the ground. Bye guys.